ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ya ka project penyo boarding lingba ki solar light shaki schoolmate bat ye ki nongrap jong ka rilom jantia ya ka bala tip kom ka illuminating night schools and energy for farms of Jantia Hills la sedang ban pentrai kam ha West Jantia Hills district ha ka khatn reu tarik ubnai naiwing arhajar arpway. Yakni ka project la pelai pai ba do Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Jantia Hills District uba Garot LS and Dykes ga ka bakawe lama ya ka kali ka bakit ya way generator 7 kV but lai po tuli ki solar lamp bala penyo jingerap lingba ka CSR fund ka badai ka company Jongka Nabat. Ya ki tiar makin thop dia ka kali u generator but ki lai po tuli ki solar lamp la IT but penya ya ka Bosco Integrated Development Society. Hagani ka snila sakhilang rudo Superintendent of Police Jongka West Jantia Hills District ubidi marak but ki kinhon ka napcons na gahati but ki manager na ki bang baper.
80% of our population depends their livelihood on agriculture. But even for all our foods coming to our kitchen still come from outside. So the demand is there, the scope is there, potential is still there. But maybe something we are lacking to tap all the resources which we can at least sustain in terms of food production, including animals husbandry within districts. I think COVID has taught us one lesson. I can share here. I have much pressure during COVID in 2020 dan 2021. If we talk about the number of cases, the number of people who died is negligible in 2020, but comparatively is huge in 2021. But I have more pressure in 2020 is not because of the virus, because of shortage of food items. I can say this, because the reason is it was a national lockdown. All our food products come from outside. So it was pressure for, I think, the entire state. We found it very difficult to bring essential food items to the people of the state during lockdown in 2020. So I think taking this as a lesson, we have, if we go outside, even 2 kilometers from Juai, there are plenty of empty land which can be cultivated with different variety of fruits. So I think something is maybe only a click of button. If we can find that strategy, we can be self-sufficient. So I'm sharing this thought because so many people here are involved. We can think. We only one goal. We put in efforts to make at least these essential items like or stable food, vegetable, with fruits and all. It can be made available within the district, within the state. As a symbolic to roll out this Dampo, I got this ribbon.
So you will kindly flag it off, it will roll off the ground.
Yes.
So this one, yes. Okay. It works. Sorry, it works.
Kani ka inauguration ka flagging of ceremony kemud kajing pelat ya kani ka kali kani di ka Maruti super carry tempo bala ban kitar kidgi farm produce kidgi cut school jadi baro haku cukup por godan wayu Honda generator bapanda kani ka tempo ni 7 kVA nata kidan bat light totally ki solar lamps kani ka project baro khoi kani ka bapanya ka Bosco Integrated Development Society kani ka project implementation agency te ka funding ka pisa ka buwan kawan na po ka CSR funds jokan napcons kabri ka company jokan nabat mo pujongi kini kuah nang kini ba kadang kau ika community ki ongka night school community night school project kau dan apa East but West Center Hills te neta apa kini ki school ki dan life hoteli palat life hoteli ki snong jongka jantia te kini ki school ki kena red ki belahir kumju ki bang julet hakini ki bingi ongki conventional schools kini ki bersupuli janmit dan gitu te kini community night schools hakipur dan kipur ginjar kim dan live dan kipur kim pistu am kipuli janmir di lawan bala lawan trek kemudian dah kacing ai ni ki solar lam ni kwa nang ni ki bakinda awan ni ki jimbala ni ki jing trek ki kim ada kena berat bahe ru bikin lawan chong ni skol bikin yo ai kacing shai ling ba jong ni ki solar lam teknik ke generator ru la da kanu upor bikin program nanu upor bikin kamban pom nanu kilaban use kanu ka function ka program kilaban use unit generator baru bakado ni kali ke bahe kan ke tempo ni Maruti Super Carry ya kan ni ke tempurun attach ke district juni po West Center Hills te ya kan ni plan man use ki ha kan ke kanan ko ke perso project ke bani po lasken prateli ki snang po lasken te kidan kuma ars pa teli ki long yin ki ban benefit na kan project ni kai kumno bikin thunding so kumno bikin thung pineapple so trun kumno bikin le farming piggery poultry bon jaki kam tekni project kan ya hadu hundrus nam tekni ka kalir kila ban use hata kapor nadu ba kit sambai kit sbo bandi ki mar mata juki sayo kila ban kit ni ki tiar school ni night school ni yawa so kai ka papan pair yang ni project ni ki project ki jule hapo Meghalaya ne hapo West Center Hills kalong ba kan ni kapisa jo kan ni kawan na kawini ka companies ni ketika Napcons ketika Nabat Consultancy Company ketika beli gini ki kam consultancy nama tak state government jungi Meghalaya ru kalian ka bun ki agencies hapo ya government of India bun ki wi jat company te ka CSR berbor kemud baka pisa kawan na ka profit na ka net profit jangan ka company so it is a way of giving back ketika baki yang nu ka jingyo nong ka ba haba kut jung snam boro ki the biang shaka imlang salam Bosco Integrated Development Society ketika Project Implementation Agency kemudian bayar ni ka kali ngin Hanover sa ka Bosco nomor ba ngin la machu ay klumar hanon no abdan ba panyat ngina sa ka Bosco kan siyo insurance ka Bosco kan penyo ya ka registration kan le ka Bosco ki driver kan bu ka Bosco ngila ru ban ikini baro ndai tangi kali generator bikini ki solar lamp ru ni solar lighting ngina ay baro sa ka Bosco nomor ka Bosco hi ketika Project Implementation Agency yaki night school ru ketika Bosco hi ki project ki bedai ke state government bun ke penyat ke Bosco ini project perso jungiru ke penyat ki ke Bosco ka suk bat ka smobet jiru baka deban penyat ke Bosco kin pej maki maintenance an ngidang hope nginai keren mana yang ne po DC office yang balada maybe ngilak menan ki training man hikai kinong rap kan thai jungi kumno bikin nya tempo kumno bikin kit gitiar gitar leru hata por ngilak man use ya kan ni kali kenang ban penki ka ya ka ya ka income ya ka jingyo joki hata kalian bede jaka jing ketika sanction ne ka support ya ka pisai kini ki project baro apo jong ketika ni pentir ketika super kari ketika tempo pasongdor kuma imat saulak tam itu generator dari Arlak Siteng nanti ini solam skumba silak Arlak so overall hangni mentakasing spend kumba pra lak menruku hindu hajar ye nanti ni perso satiru ni spend kumba siklur arpau lak kini dari for 6 years nalor kataro kumba ong ifada mene per inaugurating program kadan ru sakni napo government of Germany kisiu kapoi kapisa borok kinoi kai jukini night school borok kawan ka government of Germany but sport stationery but yaki salary jong borok kini kai night school so ketika collaboration jong borok jong napa jong napcons but jong government of Germany